Good morning. Today I'm spraying for mosquitoes at a friend's house, and I dressed on purpose just like you would dress if you're working in your yard. And I'm covering from head, as you can see, all the way down to socks in my shoes. It's not because the product is super dangerous, but just because I don't want it all over me. I'm going to be spraying up high. As you can see, the eaves are tall on this house. And so I'm also going to wear my regular glasses while I'm spraying, just to protect my face since I'm going above my head. I'm using a product that a lot of you have bought from us already. It's permethrin mixed with spreader sticker and an IGR, which is a growth regulator. So we're also stopping future generations of mosquitoes. I'm going to put a mask on before I start spraying. This sprayer has the cap end pulled off so that I can get reach onto this tall house and into the tall crepe myrtles behind me. That's what I love about this sprayer. It makes your job quick and easy. I have the 3 ingredients mixed, so I'm going to keep agitating as I'm spraying so that they stay mixed together. Watch how thorough I am, but also how I don't soak anything down. I'm just moving fairly quickly. If I need to talk, I'll try to talk through my mask. It's not just mosquitoes that this mixture kills, but it kills pretty much anything, but only for about a month at a time. So during the summer months when we do mosquitoes, we usually spray with this particular ingredient once a month. Other ingredients that are a little less pet friendly can go every other month. This depends on humidity and rainfall as well, obviously. All right, I'm going to start up high. I sprayed it at. May not have as much reach as I wanted because we don't have all the water pressure from the house yet. But you can see I hit the eaves already with that. If I get it a little closer, maybe it'll hit them all. I'm hitting the eaves because that's where humidity gets held, and mosquitoes at dusk especially will congregate under there. So I'll hit all the eaves. I'll go back and do that because for time reasons. Also, you see when I do the scrub, I hit everything I can reach and I shoot it all the way in. So I'm coating as many surfaces of leaves as I can. Those are the main places, especially in a flower bed like this that has bark mulch in it. Those are the main places the mosquitoes will congregate at dusk and for the night. So when you cover those well, you're stopping a lot of mosquitoes and a lot of other things like white flies, other type things. If you're worried about bees, don't spray any of your flowering plants. Then you won't be killing the bees that congregate in there to get the nectar. It stays agitated if I'm always moving like this anyway, but keep that in mind. I'm trying to hit the ground underneath as well because of the bark mulch in there, which holds so much moisture, and so it's constantly releasing humidity in the warm weather. Constantly releasing moisture. All right, you can see how I do that. Be gentle on your little shrubs, just a quick hit. But I also like to hit all the bark mulch.